Hello kids, Mr. Agee here. This lesson is for the virtual students. It's your word study work on Friday, January 22nd. So during word study today you'll be working on your cursive handwriting and some spelling tasks related to cursive handwriting. And so we're on pages 58 and 59, and the letters that we've been studying are the tow truck lowercase letters B, O, V, and W. And the big idea with those letters is that instead of ending on the baseline, they end on the midline with a little tail that tows towards the next letter. And we've studied how that affects the starting point of the connecting letter. So the first job that you're going to have on page 58 is you're going to be copying the words that are listed here. What, down here on the line, and where on the line. Here we've got for and before. You notice how the tow truck letter connects to the next letter. The R starts way up high. The E starts much higher than it usually starts down on the baseline. Here we've got over. Sound it out with me. Over. And ever. Ever. You're going to be copying those on the lines here. We're going to sound this out letter by letter. Sound it out with me. Avid. 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 And here we've got an OI pattern. So we're adding an O after the V. So the OI says oi. So we've got oid. Avoid. So you're going to be copying avid and avoid. And here we've got hot and got. We're practicing that connection, that high connection from the O to the T. Next we've got best and vest. The EST ending is the same in both words. We've got b and v, best and vest. You're going to copy best and vest. And then blue, blue. Value, value. Blue and value. Look and took. Look and took. Next up, you're going to be turning the page here or going to the other side of the page, and we're going from print to cursive. So here you just get on page 58, you just get to copy the cursive. Over here you have to do a little bit more thinking because you have to translate in your mind, how do I make these words go from print to cursive. So they give you an example here for the first one. We've got lose. And in cursive it looks like this. Lose. You've got the L-O-S-E, and they're practicing that connection from the tow truck letter O to the S connection. Here we've got lost. Lost. So you'll be writing it cursive here. Give. This does not follow the typical spelling pattern. This E should tell the I to say its name. It should say give, but it does not. It says give. Here, it does follow the pattern. The E, the silent E at the end tells the A to say its name. Gave. Gave. So you're going to be writing give and gave in cursive. And here we've got silent W, silent W. When you've got WR, it's silent W, it's R sound. E tells I to say its name. Ite, right. E tells O to say its name. Oat, wrote. And here we've got a word that does not follow the pattern. It's B-U-Y, buy. This is to purchase something, buy. And down here at the end, O-U-G-H, in this case, makes an ah sound. So we've got b, ah, t. 4 letters, 1 sound. B, ah, t, bought. So you'll be copying those words in cursive over here. And the last part is the part you're going to take a picture of and send to me in the media album is your spelling test. So you can stop and start the video as many times as you need to, but I'm getting ready to read the spelling words to you. Number 1, saw. Saw. I saw a deer running through my neighborhood. Saw. Number 2, stove. You can cook food on your stove. Number 3, wow. Wow, that was really cool. Wow. Number 4, hive. You shouldn't disturb a hive of wasps. Hive. Number 5, table. We eat dinner together as a family at the table. 6, wave. Wave goodbye to your friends before you leave. Wave. Number 7, bike. Ride your bike to the corner and back. Bike. Number 8, broke. He broke his arm when he fell out of the tree. Broke. Good luck on that spelling test, and as usual, just do your best, and that is the main thing that we're asking from you. We're not expecting any kind of perfection. We want to see where you are in your development as a speller and in your writing. So snap a picture and upload it to the media album in Friday's Word Study folder, and you are done with Word Study for today.